Welcome to Talk to Angie channel. Merry Christmas to you all. I trust you guys enjoyed your Christmas and are looking forward to the new year. Today I'll be teaching you how to make chin chin. People have various ways they make chin chin, but I will be teaching you my own style of making chin chin. Here I have got 250-gram butter ready. I've also got 1 teaspoon baking powder ready. I've got half a teaspoon of salt ready, 250-gram sugar ready. Here I've got 4 eggs ready. Here I've also got nutmeg ready, and I'll be using a teaspoon of nutmeg for my chin chin. Here I've got vanilla ready, and I'll be using a teaspoon of vanilla. Here I've got my vegetable oil ready. Here I've got half a glass milk ready. Here I've got 1 kg flour ready for my chin chin. Here I've got pan ready that I'll be using to fry my chin chin. Guys, come with me and let's get cooking. First, I'm going to start by breaking my eggs into the bowl. Add the half glass of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, and whisk. Ensure that your egg is properly mixed and then set aside. And also mix my flour with all the other dry ingredients. In goes my baking powder, in goes salt to taste, in goes nutmeg. Like I said, it's a teaspoon of nutmeg. In goes sugar, which is my 220-gram sugar, and then stir together. Stir properly to ensure they're all mixed in thoroughly. Next, I'm going to add the butter into the flour and then mix it in properly. Afterwards, I'm going to add the mixed egg and then mix it in properly. Ensure it is properly mixed together. Afterwards, place it on a flat surface and then knead. Ensure you knead it properly, and later on use your rolling pin to flatten your dough and then start cutting. When it comes to chin chin, you can cut it to any shape or size you want it, depending on how you're going to enjoy your chin chin. If you do it the same way I'm cutting my dough, you will get a nicely shaped chin chin. Before I finish cutting my chin chin, I have to go heat up my oil ready for frying my chin chin. In goes my vegetable oil, and I'm going to allow it to heat up very well before I start frying. My oil has heated up nicely, and now it's time to start frying my chin chin. As you can see, I've started adding the chin chin into the oil. Once you notice your chin chin is brown, your chin chin is ready. So keep stirring until your chin chin is golden brown, just like what you're seeing in my video. Look at that. It has been nicely fried and is brown and ready. Crunchy, inviting, and yummy. Chin chin is ready. Now I'm going to repeat the same process until I finish frying all my dough. Yes, look at that. I've put in the second batch and my chin chin is ready. It's golden brown and it's crunchy. Now you can use this as a starter. You can use it as a snack, especially for those that love snacking. It is a very good snack. I just finished mine with a drink. It was yummy, trust me. Now what are you waiting for, guys? Look at how yummy looking my chin chin is looking. Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you have not yet subscribed, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe, and also you can turn on the notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. For all those that have subscribed, thank you. I really appreciate you all, and I pray that 2023 will be a glorious and a fulfilling year for you and your family. Wow, I know we're all looking forward to next year. Now, for those of you that have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to go and subscribe, like, and also share my video. Thank you all for watching my video. God bless you all. Bye. Ciao.